What you just saw took less than 5 minutes to make. No PowerPoint, no Canva, no designer, just one sentence typed into an AI tool. Today I'm testing two of the best AI presentation tools head to head, Genspark and Gamma. Same prompt, same topic, very different results. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to use and when. First, quick context on both tools. Genspark is a newer AI platform whose slides feature has been getting serious attention. It doesn't just generate slides, it researches your topic first, builds a structured outline, and fact checks its own content after it's done. Nothing else does that right now. Gamma is the established player, 70 million users, known for beautiful, polished designs and one of the fastest generation speeds of any AI presentation tool. Both have free plans, but they are built very differently, and that is exactly what we are testing today. I used the exact same prompt for both tools. No adjustments, no extra instructions. The prompt was, create a 10-slide pitch deck for a digital platform that connects real estate buyers, sellers, designers, and essential services in the UAE, a startup targeting real estate sector. I judged both on 4 things: speed, design quality, content accuracy, and real-world usability. Gamma finished in under a minute. Genspark took just over 4. But here's why that's not a fair comparison. Genspark spent the first 2 minutes actually researching the topic, pulling live market data and verifying statistics before touching a single slide. Gamma just generated. Gamma is the sprinter. Genspark is the analyst. They're built for different moments. Gamma's design is genuinely beautiful out of the box. Balanced layouts, clean typography, real visual hierarchy. You can literally type, "Make this look more modern," and it restyled the whole deck in about 10 seconds. Genspark's design is solid, especially in creative mode, but I found some inconsistency between slides and adjusted 3 of them manually. For pure design quality with no editing, Gamma wins H2. Both Genspark and Gamma are fully editable. You can simply click the Edit option at the top to make any changes you need, whether it's aligning with your brand guidelines, correcting data, or updating content. Everything is customizable to fit your exact needs. Gamma's PowerPoint export was clean, fonts correct, images in place, ready to send to a client. Genspark was mostly good, but a couple of chart elements came through as images instead of editable shapes. Minor, but worth knowing. On pricing, Gamma's free plan gives you around 10 full presentations. Paid is just $8 a month. Genspark's free tier runs out fast on heavy features. Paid plans start around $25 a month. For most people starting out, Gamma gives you more for less. Here is the final scorecard. Speed, tie. Design, Gamma wins. Content accuracy, Genspark wins. Pricing and usability, Gamma edges ahead. If you are a student, a freelancer, or someone who makes presentations a few times a month, start with Gamma. It is beautiful, fast, and the free plan is generous. If you are making decks for clients, investors, or any meeting where the content has to hold up, use Genspark. The pre-data check alone could save you from presenting something inaccurate in front of someone important. Personally, I now use both. Gamma for fast, beautiful first drafts. Genspark when the content needs to be airtight. Links to both tools are in the description. Both have free plans, no credit card needed. If this was useful, hit subscribe. I post a new AI video every week and I promise you will not regret it.